It took me 3 years, but after 8 failed stores and thousands of dollars spent, I finally found the best and cheapest way to start dropshipping. So let's go over all the steps so you can find success too. Okay, the first thing you need to do is find a product, which you can do so by going to TikTok. A few years ago, it was way harder and way more intensive to find a product. You can still use ad spy tools like Big Spy and Facebook ad library, but now you can just go straight to TikTok and find a product through the method I'm about to show you. So let's just jump straight into it. Okay, the first thing you need to do is come over to TikTok. It doesn't have to be on a computer, you can be on your phone, and just come up to the search bar and type in TikTok made me buy it. And once you type this in, they're going to show you a bunch of different drop shipping products. And what I love about this is you can see in-time data of what's working. Like this electric lighter right here has 63.4 million views. That's a lot of views. Let's say he just got 1% of the people that clicked on the video to buy the product. That would be 600,000 people, 600,000 sales. That's a lot of money, especially if you're making a $5 to $10 profit per sale, which can be amazing. And of course, you're probably not going to get 63 million views, but if you can get around 10 to 20,000 views a day, you can definitely build up a nice income from your dropshipping store. And once you scroll, you can just scroll through and see what type of products you want to buy. I would say try to go for a product that has at least 500,000 views, or you can go even as low as 100,000 views if you like the product. But TikTok made me buy it. It's a great hashtag you can use to find different dropshipping products, because I guarantee you 99% of these products are from dropshipping stores. Let's just click on the store and just go through it. As you can see, they have 23.4k followers. We help with sleep, stress, odor, and skin hydration, and it's all around this product. And as you can see, they get a lot of views, 11,000 views, 194,000, 9k, 15k. They get a lot of views, and I guarantee you with each video, they're probably getting at least 5 to 10 sales per day. And if you're making 2 to 5 pieces of content a day, you can definitely rack up some sales. Okay, once you scroll through and find a product that you want to sell on TikTok, it's time for you to find a good supplier. And the first good supplier we're going to talk about is CJ Dropshipping. CJ Dropshipping is my favorite alternative when it comes to AliExpress. They have faster shipping times and better quality products. With AliExpress, I hope you're still not using them. It's 2023. It's time to let them go, because their shipping times is around 30 days still for most of their products, which is not good. And as you can see with CJ Dropshipping, 3 to 7 days, 4 to 9, 6 to 10, 6 to 10 again, 8 to 12, 10 to 12. So they have faster shipping times in 30 days, which is very important, because customers in the age of Amazon, where you can get 2-day shipping times, do not want to wait 30 days anymore. So it's very important that you have faster shipping times. Then I would say at max try to aim for 15 days or less. If you have to go up to like 18, that's fine, but try not to have anything over 20 days anymore. But CJ Dropshipping is a free supplier. They have a lot of great products on here, thousands upon thousands of products. So if you want to come over to cjdropshipping.com and find your product you've seen on TikTok, you can do it, because as you can see, they even know TikTok made me buy it is a great hashtag to use. They have a lot of dropshipping products that's for TikTok. Another great supplier that you can use is going to be Spocket. Spocket is another one of my favorites. They have a lot of products on here as well, high quality products, and they have very fast delivery times, which I like. They are free to get started with as well. And if you're not using Shopify, they have a lot of integrations as well, like with eBay, WooCommerce, BigCommerce, Alibaba, Wix. So they work with a lot of big name companies as well. But if you did want to go with the paid version, it's $29.99 per month, and you're able to outsource 29 unique products. But like I said, they have a completely free plan if you want to get started with it, because I know most people don't want to start by paying a high monthly fee of $29.99. So going with the free plan first and switching over to the starter if you want to probably works best. Okay, and the last supplier we're going to talk about is a premium supplier, and that is Zendrop. Zendrop is great when you're ready to get serious about dropshipping, because they have a lot, and I mean a lot, of different features that will help you. And as you can see, they have fast shipping. They have most of their shipping days is going to be 5 to 8 days, which is amazing. Automated drop shipping, which you can put your orders on autopilot. They have brand development for you, so you can brand the product. They have analytics. They have high volume selling, which they will give you a dedicated team to your drop shipping business. Custom branding, US products. They have a lot of different features that will help you grow in your dropshipping journey. So like I said though, they are a premium supplier. I'm pretty sure they cost around $50 a month. So If you want to get serious about your dropshipping business, go this route. But if you don't want to start with that high fee, you can definitely go with CJ Dropshipping or Spocket for your supplier. A couple of other great ones is going to be eProlo. You can go to that one as well, or you can go to Source of Goods, which is another one of my favorites. They're both free to start with fast shipping, which is very important. So just make sure you go with a good supplier. Okay, now that we have our product and we've found a good supplier, it's time for us to order a sample product, which is an important step because this is how you're going to market. Let's go back over to TikTok and let's say we went with this product right here, the one that is someone like a humidifier slash lava lamp. We can go with this one, and all you have to do is just go over to Amazon, push in what you think it would come up under. So I'm gonna go with fire humidifier, which I spelled that really bad, but it still came up, and as you can see, it's still on here. So just make sure you buy the same one that you can find, that you found on like CJ Dropshipping or something. The only reason I'm using Amazon is because, you know, you get faster shipping with Amazon, but it's basically the same product. So you can definitely order this one, or if you don't mind waiting, you can order the product from your supplier, whichever one works best. But I like to go with Amazon because it's just quicker to show up to me and I can get started faster. So once you order your product, you're going to be making videos like that, just showcasing your product. Make around 2 to 5 pieces of content a day like this. It's not that hard. Just show it off. Just say, you know, a quick quote or something above. Make sure you put it on all the social media platforms. A lot of people just put it on one, like TikTok, or maybe they start on Instagram, but you can use TikTok, Instagram, Pinterest, sometimes even YouTube and Facebook Reels, and this will help maximize your audience so you can make more sales for your business. And to get rid of the logo, you know, so you don't have a TikTok logo, you can go over to snaptik.app, so you can just copy the link and put in a link, and it will remove the logo for you so you can put it on all the other social media platforms now. Because back in the day, what you would have to do is first you got to make the ads, you know, and that will cost money. And then after you make the ads, you have to actually run the ads, which is going to cost a lot of money as well. That's why a lot of drop shipping businesses used to fail. But now with TikTok and, you know, Instagram Reels and all of those platforms that we have now, you can easily, and I mean easily, market your business without paying $1 in ads with a new account and still go viral, which makes dropshipping an amazing business now. And that right there is all I pretty much do for marketing. That's all you really need now. So just make sure you're making enough content. Like I said, 2 to 5. If you want to go 6, you can do 6 or even 7 if you want to. There's not really a max limit to amount of content you can put on per day, but make sure you're at least doing 2 pieces of content a day so you can grow up your business and grow up an audience as well, because with more followers obviously comes more views. So once you have your game plan for marketing down, it's time for you to create your store. And I'm sure you've heard of Shopify, which is, you know, the most amazing online store builder, and it's the most popular as well. And if you're watching this right now, they have a nice promo going, 3 months of Shopify for $1. That's a pretty nice plan, if I do say so myself. So you can use Shopify, which I highly recommend. A lot of people use Shopify, but if you want to just go the completely free route, another amazing online store builder you can use is BigCartel. BigCartel is another amazing store builder I use. It's completely free to use, and they have a lot of great features. As you can see, you can list up to 5 products for free. You can use their customizable theme. They got real-time stats for you, a custom domain, offer discounts around promos, shipment tracking, my favorite, sales tax autopilot. So they have a lot of amazing features that you can use. So if you don't want to go the Shopify route, you can easily go with BigCartel. And if you know anything about WooCommerce, you can go with WooCommerce, Wix, Squarespace. So it's a lot of online store builders you can use, but this is my favorite go-to when it comes to the free way, and of course the paid way would be Shopify. Okay, you found your product, you have your supplier, a game plan for marketing, and an online store. These are the 4 basic blocks when it comes to drop shipping. All you got to do now is just put in the time and effort. Make sure you just don't quit too early. What a lot of new drop shippers do, they see, you know, the drop shipping gurus on the internet and think they're going to be making a bunch of money within the first week or 2. But don't forget, drop shipping is a business, so it might take you a few months or maybe even a few failed stores. I hope not, but this is just the reality of what could happen. So just make sure you give it the time and effort required to build up a successful dropshipping store. And I guarantee if you don't quit, you're definitely going to succeed, because there's nothing else you can do but succeed. So I hope this video was helpful for you, and until next time.